Do you know the biggest unlock that's possible because of AI and vibe coding? It is the fact that anyone today can start creating apps for their own personal use depending on what work they do. I have personally built numerous dashboards, AI agents, and scheduled workflows that work on my behalf every single day. If you are watching this video, you are likely looking for a job, you want to work with clients, you want to start making some money. And the first step of applying to a company is to giving that interview and acing it. In this video, I'll show you how to build an interview prep tool using Lovable. This tool will not only ask you questions to prepare you for the interview, it will also judge your voice, the way you're looking at the recruiter, the way you're framing your sentences, and then it will give you advice on how can you improve. You can build apps like these and a lot more using Lovable. Lovable is a vibe coding platform that allows you to simply describe in English what you want to build and watch it create the entire code base and turn it into a ready-made website or an app that you can use every single day. Let's jump right into it and show you how it works. So this right here is lovable.dev, and it allows you to turn your ideas into real working apps by simply chatting with AI. It's built for non-technical builders from the day one. And once you create an account, this is what you see. The most important part is this field where you can input what you wanted to build. I'll just paste this simple prompt, create a simple MVP for an interview prep app. User selects the job role, app starts a mock interview with realistic questions, user answers questions using webcam and microphone, app gives feedback on the answer, confidence, clarity, eye contact, and at the end, show an overall score and improvement tips. And I'll just say, use Claude API for it all. And then let's just select on the plan mode and then press on enter. So before you build any app, it's a good practice to actually plan it out. So now you will watch Lovable create an entire building plan before it even implements anything. So that is where you can view everything, you can make some edits that you want to, and it's just the best way to ensure that it is actually building what you want it to build. So it's asking me questions. Claude isn't available through Lovable's built-in AI gateway. The supported models are OpenAI. Oh, that's really cool. So it's saying that I don't need to enter my Claude API key. I can simply just use Lovable AI. It has zero setup, no API key needed. It will use GPT 5.5. So I'll just say, let's use that. We wanted to use webcam and mic. Yes. And now which roles should be the people be able to pick from? So I'll say sales. Let's say software developer, digital marketer, what else? Graphic designer, content writer. Let's just say we take these roles for now, and Claude isn't available. And okay, so this is the plan. I'll just click on submit. And now on the right hand side is where you will see the preview of the app, and on the left hand side is where you will chat with Lovable to build the app for you. Now the cool thing is, once your app is ready, you can simply go over here and you can publish the app so that you get a public link that you can share with anyone that you would want to. This is honestly insane, and you can even add a custom domain right here. So if you wanted to have a particular domain, you can do that. Okay, so this is the plan. So this is the user flow, landing, role select, this is the interview, this is the results. This is what the design language would look like. This is how the data will be managed. This is the AI integration, which uses Lovable AI gateway. And then this is the client recording. So that's all that you would need. I will click on approve, and now we'll watch it create the entire app from scratch. How cool is that? The cool thing is Lovable not only builds the front end, but also the back end with the database, and everything is integrated. So that means you can not only create simple portfolios, but you can also create full scale apps that allow people to log in, that allow people to save their info in databases. You can connect it with Supabase, and then you can just integrate multiple services and build any app that you want to. Really, at this point with Lovable, the limits to what you can build is your imagination. So if you can imagine what you want to build and write it down like I have over here, you can build it. So now Lovable is working on the plan and executing it, writing all the code. So you can also open it and see exactly what it is doing. So these are all the questions. This is the plan. Now it is thinking, it is installing all the important code, and it is installing all the libraries. It is creating different files, as you can see right here, and it is working to make the first prototype ready. So that's the part that you will now see over here on the preview part. So this is the preview mode, but you can also switch to the code mode and look at all the code that Lovable has already written. You can even start accepting payments. So if you build an app and you wanted to start accepting money from the users, you can even integrate that by simply prompting Lovable, which is really cool. You also have the ability to connect things. So basically, you can look at all the connectors that Lovable has access to. You can connect with all of these services. Let's say you want to build a simple e-commerce store. Well, you can connect it with Shopify. Let's say you want to start accepting payments globally. Well, you have Stripe for that. You want to build a simple blogging website. You have a WordPress plugin called WooCommerce over here. You also want to build any website out there. You have Wix as a connector. You want it to connect with Google Search Console, Google Sheets, Google Maps, whatever you wanted to do, there are going to be connectors to help you do exactly that. And there are so many of them. Just look at this. All right. So it says that the MVP is already built. So we can finally test it out, practice interviews with AI, pick a role, answer real questions on the webcam. So let's just say that I want to go ahead with sales and I can start the interview. Now it is going to create a list of questions and it will ask me to open up my webcam. Couldn't access your camera. Okay, let me actually publish this site. Let me publish it, public, continue, Lovable app. I'll just say interview prep coach. And then we'll just click on continue. We can now publish it. Okay, and the app is live. So I can click on view app and now I should be able to see this. Okay, it's saying this page did not load. So something went wrong. You don't need to panic. You will face a lot of errors whenever you're trying to build something. And you can just ask Lovable, hey, what's the issue? The site says it's not loading. And Lovable will now start debugging the site and trying to make it right. One important note here is the most important prompt you send to Lovable is the first prompt. So make sure that it has a proper described user flow and it explains exactly what the app does and what the flow will be. And it has fixed the issue and we can now republish our app and we can now view it over here. So I can select the role of sales and it's preparing the questions and it is asking me for permissions. So I will give it access of my mic and allow this time and we can start recording. Tell me about the time you turned a hesitant prospect into a customer. Someone wanted to work with our company, but they weren't ready to pay the higher ticket price. So we created a smaller subset and then we asked them if they want to test out with this one proof of concept and then get into the retainer later. So as you can see, it's recording the video and the audio as well. And it transcribed everything. It is now scoring my answer. Okay, this is the next one. How do you research and qualify leads? The best way I do it is by using Instantly and Apollo.io. That helps me come up with a list of leads that I can then start reaching out to. We have a few emails that we have warmed up and then we start reaching out to them, following up with them and setting up calls using Calendly. So as you can see, you can genuinely have a chat over here. It analyzes how you're speaking, what you're speaking, and it is scoring all of my answers. Let me get done with this complete interview. Let's say that this was your sales interview. It can have multiple, segments. One could be the situation type questions. Others could be more direct questions. Others could be more technical questions. So you can create all of that. This is just the basic MVP. And this is my overall score. So 34 is what I score. This is how much my confidence is ranked. This is my clarity. This is the eye contact, posture, speaking pace, delivery. This is how I can improve. So it is giving me the improvement framework. All the questions I answered is written over here and then I can click on practice again. This entire app was built in less than 10 minutes, all with the help of Lovable. But it doesn't end there. Lovable is already giving you options to improve this app. So you can verify hard reloads, you can add UI states, you can handle runtime errors. If you don't know what these things mean, you can simply just click on plan and you can ask it, what else can we do now? and then just press on enter. You also have an option to review your SEO. So if you're trying to build an app and you want it to rank for certain keywords, this is how you can improve the SEO built right into Lovable. Because it is powered by SEMrush, it gives you advice on how can you improve the SEO score of your website, which is really, really cool. But let's say I want to go back here and I want to ask it, what else can I do now? So you see, you can just keep building more and more features on top of the existing app. And you can just do that by typing plain English. And that's the best part about Lovable. You can even collaborate with other people. So if you have a team that you are working with, you can just add their email over here and they can access the same project and start working together on this app. Now I just showed you SEO, but there's so much more to Lovable than just this. And then you also have Lovable Cloud, which is going to store all the details about your users, and it can do that seamlessly, and you can access all the activity over here as well. You can see how much credits it has cost you, how much time people have spent over here. You can also view all the secrets, all the API keys that you have. You can look at all the logs. This is like a in-depth tool to help you build any app that you want to. As you can see right here, it is using the GPT-4o to transcribe and GPT 5.5 to actually understand your video. And then you can even look at the web traffic over here. I just love how in detail everything is, and you can always get access to the Lovable desktop app as well as the mobile app on the App Store right here. As you can see, you can even download the Mac app for Lovable and start shipping things and building that dream app that you've always wanted. Or it could also be just an app for personal use case. Go try out this app, the interview coach that I've just built over here, and tell me what do you think about it. You can try this out. You can start replying to all the questions that they ask here, and you can even build your own apps with the help of Lovable with the link in the description of this video. That is all from me today. Let me know if you have any questions about using Lovable. Tell me in the comment section what is the coolest website you've made so far using vibe coding apps like Lovable, and I will see you all in the next video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.